What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. MC. Let's get this go. Let's get straight to it. Let's get right to it. All right, here we go. We got Hideout TV. Hideout TV is the video hub for a lot of websites when it comes to making money online. When it comes to free PayPal cash, free money out your pocket. Yeah, I know it's kind of dirty over here. Yeah, it is what it is. Don't worry about it. I grind, I don't sleep. Check it out. Well, I want you to join this because I have two opportunities that I'm going to tell you about. I'm not going to show you, I'm going to tell you about. One of them is called Earnably, and the other one is called Free Cash. They both pay instantly. That's how I've been cashing out my money fast when I do cash out. Because basically what I'm saying is every time you are able to cash out, you cash out fast. So if you have $5,000 to cash out, which is $5 in free cash out fast, right, to PayPal, which come out to $4.75 because they take a fee. Then Earnably, they don't really take out fees, I don't think. So basically, if you take out 5, which is I think equivalent to like 50,000, yeah, I know they have more points. Then you have the whole 5 in the account. So you have from both of those accounts together to switch to PayPal, you will have $9.75 because you have $5 and then the $4.75. All right. So if you keep building up those two programs alone using this opportunity, and look, as I'm talking, all I'm doing is watching the videos. All right. And it's just easy as that. Like, I have referrals in this opportunity, but I don't have a lot of referrals, and I don't know why. So I look back and I say, I need to make more videos about just, the video website by itself. So this is a website that I'm using, but I'm using on my phone because you can go through websites through your phone. They have an app, but it's best you just use the website. It's the same, but at the same time, it's best to use the website. And as you can see, I'm at 117.6 points. And so basically, they have a referral program, and you can watch videos. You can transfer the points over to many accounts. This is what I do. So I'm gonna have, you can go ahead and join all the ones you see. That's up to you, but don't go too further, or don't go past me thinking you know everything, especially if you're a newbie and you haven't really made any money online. If you're a person that already kind of know what you're doing, you just needed a little, okay, I never heard of that program, and you kind of know how to make money online. All right, that's cool. You can do your thing. You can just, sign up under me, and then, move on. You don't really have to watch the video, but if you do, just watch me. But basically what I'm saying is I'm gonna show you a lot of programs I have connected to here. So you see I got a lot of these programs, right? But I mainly use Earnably, Free Cash, and a couple more, right? So now I'm gonna have the programs I'm naming, I'm gonna have below the description. I'm gonna have QUICKREWARDS below the description. I'm gonna have Free Cash below the description. I'm gonna have Zoom Bucks below the description. I'm gonna have Earnably. Now, if y'all choose to join all the other opportunities that y'all see right here, that's up to y'all. But I advise y'all don't even join none of those. That's why I'm telling you. So if why did you join them? I joined them just for you guys. I joined them to see if it worked for me. And no, it don't work for me. For most people, it really don't work, but everybody's different. But if you follow my strategy, you'll have less headaches. Basically is what I'm saying. If you want to grind harder than how I'm grinding harder, then that's cool. But at the same time, if you want to grind easier than how I'm grinding, and I made it easier for y'all anyway, because I've joined a lot of programs just to know, okay, this is what you do, this is what you don't do, this is, you know what I'm saying? So it's up to you if you want to follow me or not. So all the programs I named, Earnably. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have this PTC site below the description, and PTC is paid to click, and it's called Heed You. I'm gonna have that below the description. I'm gonna have Earnably below the description, Zoom Bucks. I'm gonna have Free Cash below the description, and then QUICKREWARDS. Now, as you see, this is gonna be part 1 for the hideout. Well, actually, this ain't gonna be this will be part 1 for the hideout, but I'm trying to see, as I'm making this part 1 in my head, which website I want to link this to. So I'm gonna have all the website I named below the description, but I want to show you that this actually worked, because I don't know if too many people show you this. So because you guys could be signing up under me with Hideout TV, boosting my points up and boosting y'all points up without doing a lot of surveys and other things, you know, just a lot of stuff that's just like, man, it's just unnecessary. All right, so I'm gonna go with which one I want to go with? All right, okay, since I want to talk about quick rewards, because I talked about them all, but quick rewards I haven't talked about enough. Now I'm gonna talk about a little bit quick rewards on this video, and I'm gonna talk about it on another video too. This is part 1 for Hideout TV. This is mainly about Hideout TV, but I'm telling you to sign up to Hideout TV and sign up to all these websites that I name, and I'm having below the description. Okay, I have the links below the description. But the main thing I want to talk about that I have, you know, the link below the description is Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards pays a minimum of $0.01. So if you have $0.01 in the account, you can cash out to PayPal, and I think they pay every other day. You know, so if you cash out today, they pay the next day. You cash out the next day, they pay the next day. Now, I don't know. Maybe if you catch it at a certain time, they might pay the same day. I don't know. But try it out. And I'm going to try it out, actually. And maybe I did try it out, don't remember. But I'm going to try it out again if I did. If I did, I'm going to try it out. Try it out as well. So what I like about Quick Cash is it's the same, similar to most of the other sites. You can switch your points from the video to over there, and then boom, you boost your points up. Right now, I'm at $2. If you new to my channel, comment, like, subscribe. And if you old to my channel, share my channel. And if you new and old to my channel and you haven't seen a video about quick rewards, try to go to all my videos and try to find the newest videos and see if I well, I know I have it, but go find the quick rewards video, and then you can watch. Basically, why I'm telling you to do that is because my balance now is at $2. From that video to now, from then it was at $1 and some. Now it's at $2, and I'm gonna try to keep it in there. I ain't gonna cash out yet until I make another video, but definitely after I make part 2 of this Hideout, you know, TV video, or how to make, you know, money from, you know, using Hideout. But I don't even think the title gonna be like Hideout. I don't know, but probably gonna be like how to make money off videos. But so when you get in quick rewards, you can switch your points over. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. So this is how many points I got right now. So remember, I said I'm at $2 right now, and I'm gonna make another video showing you where I'm at, you know. But I'm at $2, and I'm gonna see what they got me at, you know. But I'm gonna have a link below the description for you to join Hideout TV. And for all the referrals that do watch my videos and, you know, that don't do anything but still watch my videos, get y'all butt logged in and make me some points. All right? The newest person I signed was sometime in September last year. September 3rd, 2022. I don't have any referrals this year. Come on, man. Give me some referrals. As you can see, give me some points too. As you can see, as far as like the referral, you know, plan, this is how it's looking. I don't know if you can see it all, but definitely once you join, you will be able to read, you know, all of it. But yeah, I'm gonna have a link below the description. All right, it's your boy Mr. MC. Let's get this go. I'm out.